Baytullah Sharif is the first house built on the face of the earth, meaning first house for the worship of Allah. You can say first masjid. First masjid on the face of the earth is Baytullah. And it is barakati, full of barakat blessing. And it is hidayat. Where you go there, you get hidayat. Huh? People who go to Hajj, their life changes. So we go there with the intention that our life changes for the better. وَهُدًى لِلْعَالَمِينَ فِيهِ آيَاتٌ بَيِّنَاتٌ. There are clear signs of Allah's qudrat there. And one of the signs is Maqamu Ibrahim, the place where Ibrahim stood. That's a sign of the qudrat. Because stones normally don't get footsteps. Footsteps are in snow, in mud, in sand, quicksand. Now, large stone, Ibrahim salam stood on there, it became soft, and his feet went inside and they were firm. And then the stone rose up and up and up, and it went around and around and around the Kaaba, and it became like a lift, stair lift. And Ismail alayhi salam was passing in the stones, and Ibrahim alayhi salam was constructing the Kaaba Sharif. This is ayatum bayyinatum maqamu Ibrahim. وَمَنْ دَخَلَهُ كَانَ آمِنًا. Whoever enters the house of Allah, Haram Sharif, has safety, security. He should be safe. He should feel safe, secure. This is why even if you found your father's murderer in Haram Sharif, you can't touch him. You can't kill him. It's Aman, place of safety, Aman. Birds, pigeons have safety. You can't shoot any pigeon there. And shikar, prey, animal, gazelles, deers, if they come in Makkah, they have safety. You can't touch them. Haram is full of aman and safety. Huzur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, don't chop the trees off. Don't cut the greenery. Preservation order. Like we have conservation, preservation order. Makkah, whole Makkah has a preservation order.